Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Everything Food with JT. Today I will be cooking steamed vegetables with dumpling along with some ginger tea for breakfast. First I'm going to pour some oil into my Dutchy pot that I will be frying the dumplings into. Let it heat up a little while the vegetables are steaming and the ginger is drying. I have gone ahead I have gone ahead and need my flour to make my dumplings. So I will be making the dumpling and put them into the pot when it is hot. Hope you will enjoy this channel. I will put the recipe down in the description. But this is a great breakfast idea. Hope you enjoy. Now that the oil is hot, we put our dumplings in and we're going to fry on low heat to make sure that they are done properly and they're not raw when you break them. How to know when your dumpling is cooked? You can stick a fork through it, and once no flour is sticking on the fork, that's when you know your dumpling is ready. So my ginger tea has been drawn, and I will be using brown sugar today to mix my tea. 2 small spoons of brown sugar, teaspoons. Since I don't want my tea to be extra sweet, we've got to watch the amount of sugar we consume on a daily basis. I'll use a strainer to strain my tea so that I eliminate some of the dregs from coming into my tea of the ginger. Ginger is a very good spice. It can be used in a lot of recipes. We use it to make drops. We use it to put in our curry, in our stewed chicken, pork. Ginger is just multi-talented. Been steamed on low heat and it is finished. My dumplings are also finished. I have made a cup of tea and I will be dishing out 4 servings for breakfast for 4 of us. Thank- Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.